Logic and binary at LB Dexter. T-Got at the side like always. As you can see, I got my Samsung out from one of our previous videos here. What do we have? I know it's Samsung. What is it? Really? Oh. Okay, so we're Galaxy Buds Pro. So I actually lost track of, I just kind of lost track of where these were at as far as the transition between the previous version and the previous version and the previous version and the beans and the previous version. Apparently, the Pro is the top of the top, newest of the new. I really don't have a script for you guys today, so we're just gonna figure this out as we go. How does that sound? T-Got? Galaxy Ultra Buds Pro. T-Got got him in white. I don't know why he loves white. You do love white. Oh man, I had two white trucks. Anyways, I wouldn't buy the white ones. I want the black ones. I'm actually gonna probably order them after we finish here. But these belong to T-Got. These are T-Gots. The reason why we're gonna do a little video on them is just because they're brand new. They're the latest version. Didn't necessarily get them to do the video, but T-Got needed some new technology in his life. You know, Cups finally gave out the little rope. Kind of just, yeah, and you know, it's hard driving around with that much rope. Okay, so I'm not even gonna pull out my knife. Unfortunately, T-Got couldn't resist and he had to not use the handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. So I do have it, but it'll stay sheathed for today. You know, take it out unless you're gonna use it. So, first things first. Wait, I'm supposed to give you some info, but ooh, that looks nice. So it's AKG. They've been doing this for a while, right? With AKG, at least back to before the pod days, right? Even the wires, yeah. I still have some of those. I have some of those for USB-C. It's crazy, but anyways, sound by AKG. So I haven't had any issues. I've actually liked the sound quality. You've had a couple of these before, right? Perfect, right? Okay. Quick points here. Active noise cancellation. What do you think? Has it been?
It has improved.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Active noise cancellation. IPX7 water resistant, which means I like to put him on the spot for once. Yes! I know he's gonna edit this out, so it doesn't matter, but I won at least once. It's on video, even if it's not on video. Two-way 11mm woofer plus 6.5 millimeter tweeter. Really? Oh, that's what that is. Let me see here. Let's take a look. Okay, so we did cheat on this one. I was looking at them earlier, and I did notice. Now they do have what appears to be two speakers, right? Right there. You see that? That one right there, the little one. Wait, I got this. Ah, Samsung stylus coming through. We Samsunged out today, okay? So that one right there. See that? So it's got that one, which I'm assuming is the tweeter, and this one right here, some bass. But the bass, why would it be on the outside? This is the active noise cancellation, right? This is where it's. That's what I thought. Oh, no, the microphone's down here. There's two microphones. Let's go backwards here. Hold on. Let's go backwards. Let's rewind. 3 mics, 2 outer, playtime about 8 hours. Batteries really what matters. Talk time about 5 hours or 17.5 hours with the case. I'm assuming you'd have to switch back and forth because if you have both of them on, once they're dead, you're off the call. Price $150, $150 currently, and I found the international version with passport included for $133.99. What international version means, I really don't know, but anyways, somebody let me know. Comment down below or give me a call. Yeah, price. You know, one thing that I have noticed, even in the previous versions they seem to go on sale at some point or another. They end up going on sale. They'll drop. They'll start at 150 or 160 or whatever, and then they'll go on sale. They'll drop. I think one version released at almost 200 or something, and then within a couple weeks they were on sale for 130 or 150, something like that. So I've seen a trend here with Samsung, so that continues to be true because these were at 134. Original price was 200, right? Okay, original price was 200. Launch price was about 200 ish. Getting to the nitty gritty, the case is a lot nicer. I do like the square. It does seem to be a little bit smaller. They do fit in your little pocket. I saw a video where they were trying that out. They do fit in your little pocket. Well, they fit in my jeans in the little, what is that? The coin pocket or whatever? Yeah, right here, that one, that little pocket. There we go. We have in here your standard USB-C charger. What is this little box? I'm curious. Oh, those are the replacements. Oh yeah, see, all the rubbers. They are rubbers, right? Little latex or little rubber thingies. So they are the little replacement ear things. But I don't know what they actually call these, but these are the little replacement. They're not replacements. I think they're different sizes, right? So different ears. You know, I don't think I've ever swapped them out. I don't think I've ever tried to find like the correct one. If you have, please let me know what that's like, because I've never tried. I usually just use them as they come. No comment, man. Okay, so they do look swift. We're gonna go ahead and you know what, I'm gonna get right to it. Let's pull out the phone here. Let's see how easy it is for these to activate here. We're just gonna go ahead and start from scratch. Now I do have the previous, as far as the app goes, I do have the previous version of the Wear app that connects to my Galaxy Watch. This is not it, but my other watch, my Galaxy Watch, and it also connects to my original. I think I have the original earbuds. I think I have the original earbuds and then the earbuds plus. No, I don't have them, but I use them. So I frequent them, if that makes any sense. But point is, yes. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it connects right directly to the app, which I'm told it doesn't, but we're just gonna go ahead and find out and clear it all up. You can see it right now and step by step. So new device has been detected. Right away it popped up. I know the camera caught it. We're gonna go ahead and hit connect, and then as usual, as is customary, take them out, pop them in, and touch. I mean, I'm frustrated.
2 hours later.
Oh, my bad. You're supposed to like seriously hold them down for a while. So it's downloading the new software. Everything sounds really different right now. Well, it just sounds like I've got something in my ears, to be honest. So I actually always do send the diagnostic data. I don't really care. I'm not hiding from the government. Active noise cancellation level high. Let's go low. Ambient sound. There we go. Okay. So, can you say something? Quiero Taco Bell? Yeah, it's completely different. Actually, you know what? I will say right now. Say something again.
Me gustan los jalapeños.
Te gustan los chiles, güey. Anyways, it sounds natural. It actually sounds natural. I don't. I sound like I'm speaking from within. I turn the ambient sound on. But you sound natural. I don't. I sound like I'm talking within inside. Oh, so right away, okay, voice detect. So what for? I wonder what that's for. Noise controls and sound settings. Go back to the previous state when your voice isn't detected for 10 seconds. Oh. So what I'm thinking is that if you start talking, it lowers everything. I'm gonna leave that on. I'm gonna try that right now. First things first, let's play some music. And now this song is recorded a little lower than other music, so.
We can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof at all. So we can smoke and we can chill.
But okay, so I'm talking to you, it's detecting my voice and nothing's happening. So the volume's not dropping, everything's staying the same, so I don't really understand what that is. Oh, now it lowered. So now it lowered. Now everything's just lowered. And now it's all the way back up. And now it's all the way back up. So it did. So at some point or another, it heard my voice and it decided to like lower, and then it took about 10 seconds for it to come right back. So we'll see if it does it again. I'm gonna continue listening. It is lowering. Okay, boom, right there. It heard my voice, the volume dropped, which is actually pretty cool for this video. Right off the bat, it connected real easy. Very, very light behind the ears. I mean, in the ears, they sound really nice. Ambient sound was working just fine. I can hear myself. I can hear T-Got. The controls work really easy the first time. I did have a quick issue getting them on, but just know that you really do. You just have to hold them. For my other earbuds, I started palming instead of using my fingers. I don't know. That's just a technique that just makes it easier for me not to miss. But yeah.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.